Nice, I love it, guys. And basically, I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo salad bar and juice bar channel, guys. I'm gonna make you a simple salad today. Anyway, I have some leftover mixed leaf, and I love to make my salad, and you all guys all know that. So if you have some mixed leaf at home in your kitchen, and also I have some salsa which I make yesterday. Just gonna sprinkle this on it like this. I love my salsa. Salsa is made from tomato, coriander and bits and pieces. The video is on the YouTube channel how I made it. Alright? So I'm gonna pop a red onion inside of it. That's the red onion. Nice and lovely. Give it a lovely mix. And also I have one medium-sized tomato which I want to slice and put inside of it. I got cucumber in it earlier, which I did have. So that's fine. We don't need to put no cucumber in it. Secondly, I have some avocado. Let me see if my avocado is still on the plate. Yep, my avocado is still good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some avocado inside of it. Alright, this is the avocado. Just half of an avocado, guys, honestly, because I love avocado, and this salad is always my favorite. Alright, little bit of grated cheese, and also we have some gherkins. Gherkins. Yeah, I'm gonna pop that inside of it. Little bit of gherkins, little bit of vinegar dressing, lovely, and also little bit of olive oil. Tell me, what do you think? It's a simple salad, but I'm always doing salad, you know what I mean? Any little thing you have at home, I'm gonna put some chili inside of it. Let's make yourself a lovely salad. And also a little bit of pepper. Bring up a lovely flavor to the salad. All you have to do now is shear it out. Easy. So we're just gonna mix it up and shear it out, make you guys can see the way this look on the plate. Alright guys, so don't go anywhere. Stay right there and watch this one. Alright. So if you're going to work, this is what you need to do. You need to make a salad from the day before, and you know what I mean, put it in your fridge that you can bring it to work. Alright guys, don't wait till in the morning you want to rush to do something. You want to make it from the day before. Now we're just gonna simple shear my salad. Nice and lovely. So look at this, got everything in it. You know what I mean? You guys can do this at home, honestly. Get any little thing you have at home, put it together, make yourself a lovely salad. Beautiful. Let's scrape out this and make it go up on top of it to make you guys can see the color. Beautiful, look at that. That is fantastic salad. That is a classic salad, guys. I want you guys to just enjoy it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Some of the recipe, some of the ingredients they may not have it, but use what you have at home. It doesn't matter. Your salad will come out lovely, tasteable and nice, just like mine. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe and leave your comments at home. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. My name is Chef Ricardo and we always give you the best recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.